Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to redo here in Adobe Express. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Adobe Express, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To redo an action in Adobe Express, it's very simple because you can use the redo function, which allows you to revert the last undone action. How you can do it? Simply, just go to the project or design that you're working. If you haven't already, just go to the template section wherein you can browse to some of the amazing, inspiring templates that you can begin your work. Or if you want to start from scratch and upload your own content, just click this button. In my case, I'm going to be choosing this one. For example, you accidentally delete the this small photo. All right. Now all you have to do is use the redo icon. How? All you have to do is click this button right here that says undo. All right. And this is going to be the action for the redo. You see, it's very easy. Now another shortcut that you can do is pressing the Control plus Z on your keyboard, and when redoing you press Control plus Shift plus Z. See that? Undo and then redo. It's very simple, really. All right. Now, when you want to use the redo in Adobe Express, the idea is if you accidentally delete or something important like an element or changing a design, you can quickly redo it by clicking this small button right here. If you're experimenting with a different design, fonts, or placements, the undo and redo options allows you to quickly without permanently losing your changes. And if you've undone something earlier in your workflow, you can redo it right here when needed, especially when working on complex designs. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.